Looking for the fuse box in your Jeep Cherokee, 1997 to 2001? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee controls circuits for interior components like lights, radio, and power windows. It includes fuses and relays essential for electrical system protection. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee gasoline manages high current circuits like the fuel pump cooling fan and ABS. It houses Maxify fuses and relays for critical engine and drivetrain functions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee diesel supports major systems like glow plugs, fuel injection, and engine management. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays tailored for diesel-specific components. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.